Hey everyone, welcome to Jerome B Farm and Homestead. This is a product review on the Chicago Electric 4.5-inch grinder. It is item number 60372. I bought this in the store, and I bought a wire wheel with it, and I bought an abrasive wheel. Here's the abrasive wheel. Both of these were about $4.99 if I remember right. This wore out pretty quick, but it does put a good finish on bare metal. This thing has lasted throughout my whole project here, basically, way longer than the abrasive wheel. And it doesn't leave as good a finish as the abrasive wheel, but it does get the job done. So I paid, I'll scroll it across here, but I bought it with my 20% coupon. I've heard the black grinder that's cheaper than this, I think it's about 12 bucks, is not as good as the red one. So I got the red one. I think it was around $20, maybe 18 or 19 with my 20% off. Okay, so I'm gonna roll some footage of me using this grinder. Some of it's first person. It's kind of shaky video because I had a GoPro head camera on, but you can see how it works. And I probably ran this, I'm guessing probably a good hour total run time. So, and it's still running good, and I was pretty hard on it a few times. So let's roll the video, you can check it out. How long that's going to last. Okay, you get the idea. I'm not going to do any more of that till I get a dust mask on. So it's kind of that rubbery stuff breaking up. This thing has held up. I thought it was going to quit for a while, but it was getting hot, so I backed off how much pressure I was putting down, and just kind of let it sit and work with its own weight, plus a little bit of pressure, but not much. So if you start torquing it down, it's going to get hot fast. So you don't want to get this thing hot. So after I let it cool off, it sped back up and ran at its high speed like it normally was. So I thought it had quit. So it does have air vent right here where it has little fan blades in there. So if it does get hot when you're using it, just let it run, just holding it in the air, let some air circulate, and that'll cool it back down. But I think I had the gearbox hot. Anyway, I'm really impressed with this. I didn't get the warranty because I figure if it broke I'd just throw it away, but it really held up. So I have a DeWalt 20 volt 3.5 inch grinder that, you know, I didn't want to do this big project because I just keep going through batteries and I wanted one I could plug in. So this grinder, it's a good purchase and I highly recommend it. It's been really good for this project, and it acts like it's going to work for a lot more. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.